All right, so these both involve the theorem that I was talking about earlier, the triangle exterior angle theorem. Okay, um, a folding chair has different settings that change the angles formed by its parts. Suppose that the measure of angle 2 right here is 26 and the measure of angle 3 here is 72. Find angle 1. Well, look, angle 1 forms a linear pair with this angle right here. Okay, so that makes angles 2 and 3 the remote interior angles compared to angle 1, that exterior angle. And we then know that the measure of angle 3 plus the measure of angle 2 will equal the measure of angle 1. So if we take the measure of angle 2, which is 26 degrees, and we add to it the measure of angle 3, which is 72 degrees, we then get 98 degrees, which is going to be equal to the measure of angle 1, okay, through the triangle exterior angle theorem. So for 33, we've got an answer of 98 degrees. And hopefully you can see that angles 2 and 3 are just the remote interior angles to angle 1. And so they will sum to be what this is. Okay. Likewise, number 34, a star pattern quilt has a star with the angle shown. What is the value of x? Okay, well, x here plus this 36-degree angle, these are the two remote interior angles, so they will sum to be this. So it's just a slightly different version of it where we say 116 is going to be equal to x plus the 36 degrees, those two angles that are the remote interior angles. And now we just say minus 36, and we get 80 equals x, and we can box that because that is the number of degrees in that angle. It's pretty straightforward. You need to know that theorem, the triangle exterior angle theorem, that this exterior angle is going to be equal to the sum of the remote interior angles. This exterior angle is going to be equal to the sum of the remote interior angles. Yep, pretty straightforward.